Is okay. Hey. Anyways, hi guys. So there's a bunch of games I can play. There's one hospital. We're playing Animal Hospital today. I really like it. Don't be mad. I'm only at shift 7 because I just don't play the game a lot. Let's see. I'm ready to see. I only have 20 this Dude, if you are going, how exactly do you want to stop? I know this is not the real Kayla's. But in no way is the real Kayla. He don't have to check mark though. I'm not sure, but maybe. Okay. Hold up. I want to check on me. Oh, 2 minutes. I spent 2 minutes doing all of that. That was like fine. Oh well. Why is the players done? We have a nurse. And why do we have interns? Why do we have an intern? We just started. We just started. Who drank the coffee? Why are you trying to do something? Oh well, room winning. Well, my boy. Do we start? No. What's up? Hey, you also said stuff. Stop copying. Looks pretty normal, but you are still supposed to. We're only on shift 1. Okay. Why I changed my username to this. I didn't know whether this is the real Kayla. What am I doing? I can just do this. Daddy. Okay, I don't think he understands. I'm just gonna. I don't have to put old style. I have to do Gen Z. Payless. So I forget about the guy. He's a popular Roblox player. And there's no way I just spawned the same. Okay, I don't know why I spawned this name. This. Okay, I'm gonna go up to him. Be alright. Are you the real? The doctor. Sure. I don't care. You're the doctor. And I'm the person. I'm waiting for the taser. I want to tase my guy. Okay, what if I just tase him? Because if you guys do want to subscribe to me, please subscribe, by the way. Subscribe so I can make a video more than at least 10 minutes long. I want a taser. Wait, I'm not the best. Okay, maybe I wasn't the best because I was doing absolutely nothing. Stop drinking the coffee cup. Are you an anomaly? Let's see. Are you a real anomaly? This looks like you. You are not an anomaly, so you are. Do I actually accept people? What if I just you got it on 5. Wow, I'm so happy for you. Oh my god, stop. No, Ratina. You don't know Ratina, aka the stalker, comes by in random shifts. She low-key kinda annoying. Why can I break this? Yay! But I need the key from Matthew. It's only shift. Wow! If you guys want me to show you the secret, then you have to subscribe so I can get enough subscribers and likes and everything. So, oh my god, not you. You're an anomaly. 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 You can't. No, you can't. This is outrageous. You need to get in the shape to go to the gym. I need to be checking how many minutes. 7 already. Wow. Just Tommy song. What? Are you an anomaly? Are you an anomaly? Looks real good to me. Look real good to me. But I don't like your face. That certainly does not mean you're not. Well, I'll let you check in. I'm not to do that. Whatever, you got room 2, I don't care. I've not even healed one patient, I'm just doing the... I was so scared, you really? Well, I forgot, I don't know. Who said something? So why in the world is she angry? You're an intern. No experience of this game. You're being angry at us for stuff like you can cause. Wow. Anyways, if you guys want to friend me on Roblox, here is my user. Is this the real Kalis? Just in case. Since I'm so nice, I'm gonna friend that phone. Friend y'all. So let me not expose everything about them. That's just wrong. Yay! That's how you know that it's a fake. Even though it's a fake, I'm still gonna friend you. I'm super nice. Super sweet. Who did that? Who did that? Who did that? Okay, people are just leaving after they hear. It's only me and you, fake Kalis. Yeah, I'm still in this. Yeah. What else? Alright, you need to show me the dump. Hey, Kalis, you need to... Okay, I'm going on to... I'm saving on my cash. Wait, who's the best? No, I got the rain shift. Let's go. The rain shift. Wait, you're an anomaly. Holy, if you hold these and hold the picture. Are you serious? I'm stumbling over this. That was my impression of a fishy. I love the rainfish. They're so cute. Sabak. Abada basa produkter. I can't read the scene. Hold up, how did they do that? Wait. Hold up a second. You are not able to just click here. Okay, let me show you guys what the rain shift looks like. It's up here running. I can't believe I got the rain shift on my first try. What did you say? Hey, I got one because of the rain. Wait. These guys are just... Anyways, that guys, I'll do a part 2.